what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Tanya. Previously I have shown you my daytime skincare routine. Today I am here to show you my nighttime skincare routine to you, which is very important for the skin, because nighttime skincare routine is basically the food for the skin, because whatever the things you apply onto your skin during the night time, it will work overnight onto your skin, and in the morning when you will wake up, it will give you a very beautiful and healthy looking skin. So here are the products that I am going to apply onto my skin during the nighttime routine. Basically I follow a 7-step Korean skincare routine. So the first step of every skincare routine starts with cleaning up your face. For clearing up my face, here I have used this face wash. It's a M Cafe Naked and Raw coffee face wash with the goodness of coffee and water lily. It is for the normal to oily skin. I have already cleared up my face with this one. I have purchased this face wash from Nykaa and it costed me 349. It's a very good face wash for those who have oily skin and for those who have normal skin. So let's move into the next step of the skincare routine. So after clearing up your face with a face wash, the next step is to toning up the skin. Toner is used to shed all the pores and also used to remove all the dirt and impurities that remains onto our skin after washing our face with a face wash. So I am here going to use a toner for my skin. The toner that I am going to use here is from the No Veg from Oriflame. I will give the link below in my description box. Now I am taking the toner onto a cotton ball and I am just applying it onto my face like this. I am just swiping it up. A toner will help to remove all the dirt from your skin and the excess hair makeup if you have onto your skin after even clearing up your face with a good face wash. So here you can see that I am applying the product onto my neck area too, because our neck area is too much important like that of our face. So here you can see that after clearing up my face, when I am using this toner, how much dirt came out from my skin. So I will wait for 3 minutes so that the product gets absorbed well into my skin and so that my skin gets prepared for the next step. My 3 minutes is over and my skin has become dry. So the next thing that I am going to apply onto my skin is a serum. The serum here that I am using is from the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. I have already given the review of this product onto my channel. Link is below in my description box. So go and check it out, the review of this product. A serum is very important because it absorbs quickly onto the skin and gives your skin a very much beautiful glow. And it is very quick and it absorbs very quickly onto the skin. So I am going to take a good amount of serum and just applying it all over my face. The products that I am using here is mostly for the oily skin because I have the problem of oily skin. So it's better to choose your products according to your skin type. At first know your skin, then choose your products accordingly. Now I am going to massage onto my skin this serum so that it gets absorbed well into the skin. There are various kinds of serum available on the market, so you can choose whatever your skin wants so that your skin gets very much benefit and your skin looks beautiful and healthy. And I am applying the products onto my neck area too, because we don't want that our neck area and our face looks too much different and weird. So here I have applied the serum onto my skin. Now I will wait for 3 minutes again so that the product gets well absorbed onto my skin. My 3 minutes is over and the next thing that I am going to apply onto my skin is Essence in Lotion. It's also from the brand Innisfree Green Tea Seed Essence in Lotion. Review is already uploaded onto my channel. Link is below in my description box. And essence is very much important because I have already told you that I follow a Korean skincare routine during the night time. So it includes the application of an essence. Essence generally helps to maintain the water level of your skin, hydrates your skin, makes your skin very much soft, smooth and makes your skin prepares for the next step too. Here I am applying the essence onto my face and onto my neck area too. You can choose any kind of essence you like to follow for your skin if you follow a Korean skincare routine. As because Korean skincare routine is little bit more advanced and will help to give you a more beautiful and bright look. So I love to follow the Korean skincare routine. So the products that I am using is mostly from the Korean brand, the number one Korean brand. As I've already told you that Innisfree is the number one Korean brand. So I'm using the products of Innisfree. Here you can see that it has well absorbed onto my skin and it makes my skin so much hydrated. My skin feels very much hydrated after just application of the essence. Now I'm going to wait for 3 minutes so the essence get absorbed well into my skin and my skin gets prepared for the next step. My 3 minutes is over and the next thing that I'm going to apply onto my skin is the night cream. So the night cream here I am using is also from the Innisfree. It's Innisfree Green Tea Sleeping Mask. I have already give the review of this product onto my channel. So I am going to apply the night cream onto my skin or the sleeping mask. It makes my skin very much soft, and when I wake up the next morning my skin feels very much so soft and smooth, like the baby soft skin my skin feels like. So it's very much important to apply a proper night cream onto your skin. The nighttime routine is the main skincare routine which helps to give your skin a very youthful and healthy look. So if you don't get time to follow any kind of skincare routine, at least follow a proper nighttime routine during the night so that your skin remains very much healthy, youthful and looks beautiful too. Previously my skin was very much dull and very much rough before following any kind of skincare routine, but since I have started doing a proper skincare and daytime and nighttime skincare routine, my skin has become soft and it looks healthy. Whatever the complexion I have, but my skin looks healthy. So here I have applied the product onto my skin, onto my face well, and I have applied the product onto my neck area too. So the next thing that I am going to do is for my eyes, because the love and pamper we gave on to our skin is very much important to give that kind of love and pamper to our eye area also, because it's a very much delicate part of our skin. So for the eye cream that I am going to use here is also from the Innisfree. It's a small cream, it's a small pouch, as you can see. Actually I have got this as a free gift with some products of Innisfree earlier. So I am going to apply an eye cream onto my eye areas. Just taking a little bit of product onto the ring finger, because our ring finger applies the least pressure and we don't want to do any kind of harm to our eye areas. So we are using the ring finger. Just massage the cream between the two fingers like this and dab it gently under your eye areas and over the lids of your eyes, because we get dark circles here too, and you don't want that whenever you just go out there are dark circles onto our eyes. So it's very much important to take care of the eye areas too. Just see, I am just dabbing the product gently onto my eye areas and also under the eyes, and I'm not rubbing it vigorously like this, just dab it gently like this. So after the application of the eye cream, the next thing and the final thing that I am going to do is for my lips. For the lip area and for the lips, and the thing that I am going to use is a Tender Care balm from the Oriflame. It's a multi-purpose balm actually. It's very much important to apply some lip balm or any kind of balms onto your lips so that our lips also looks very much healthy and our lips remain soft all the time, because we don't want that our lips looks very much chapped and fracky. So I'm just applying a little bit of product onto the lips, and it's very much important to drink adequate amount of water so that our lips always remain beautiful and soft, and our face also remains very much beautiful. So it's very important to drink adequate amount of water along with a proper skincare routine. So these are all the 7-step skincare routine that I follow for my skin during the night time regularly. If you follow this skincare routine, then you will get a very much beautiful, healthy and glowing looking skin. So this is all about my today's video about my nighttime skincare routine. Hope you guys like my videos very much. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my each new video whenever I put it in my channel. And also comment down in the comment section that what nighttime routine you follow for yourself, and if you like this video then also let me know in the comment section. So friends, see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, tata.